Ross, we've just completed the first session of the conference. What are the key messages that you took away from the speakers that you heard this morning?
Well, firstly, I'd say you had a very educated audience who asked very compelling and very challenging questions. What I take away from today is that all partners in this industry have to work together in order to make the returns work across the supply chain. As soon as that becomes unbalanced, then you have parties suffering, and then that detracts from the ability to finance and invest within certain parts of the industry.
Mm-hmm. But you think today's event was well timed? Are you seeing that some of the issues are very topical for today's market?
They're very topical, specifically around government activities, both in terms of governments trying to attract new trade and investment and strengthening their trading partners or ties with trading partners, and also with the economy in a state of flux, and also protectionist measures coming into our industry. And so it's really a time of reorganization and re-strategizing the entire industry and the value chain to really continue to drive value out of this industry.
And one of the issues that you raised was around the capacity of container terminals in particular in this region. You say it's important for people to work together. Does the GCC need to sort of take a view on port development more, or is the free market the best way to go? I mean, how do you see the solution to this particular issue?
If we had a utopian world, then all would act in accordance and over an integrated platform, but that doesn't happen, and it doesn't happen for a number of reasons. Governments have their own interests as to why they want national infrastructure in place. So it has to be down to the free market, and competition is almost not a bad thing. It drives new efficiencies. It drives you to strive for a greater level. And it really relies on you having the strength in your contacts and your customer base, your hinterland, your stakeholders, and it really focuses government entities, countries, and economies, and private companies within that as well. So it's not a bad thing, but it does create its own challenges.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.